how to motion track in CapCut and make the camera follow you. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can motion track in CapCut and make the camera follow you. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is make sure that you have the CapCut app. After you have the CapCut app, open the CapCut app and import the video that you want to motion track. After you do that, the first step is you will need to tap on the text option. And after you tap on the text option, you will simply need to add a text. Now, the text can only be a simple dot. So let's do that. I'll just add a full stop. Now, this will be our motion tracker. We'll just use this for tracking purposes. So what we'll do now is just change this, make this bigger, and put this somewhere around here. So we can set the position up later on, or you can simply set it up right now. So after you have the position set, you can simply zoom in till it fits the basketball. And after you do that, you will need to just expand this till the end of the video. So we'll use this as a reference point. And after you do that, you will now need to just zoom in the video, select the video that you want followed, and zoom into the video and make sure that the ball is there. Now you will need to add a keyframe. Tap on this icon right here, and after you tap on this, you will need to just move this picture and make sure that the ball is followed. I am doing this really slow for you guys, so you can do this as well. Just do this and the keyframe will get added automatically. So just follow this. You will need to keep doing this. You can zoom in and zoom out as you'd like. I'll just zoom in a bit more. I'm not really good at this, but yeah, you can do this as you want. Now I'll zoom at the ball a bit more, and after it goes away, I'm just gonna follow the ball. So as I follow the ball, the keyframes will keep on getting added like this. And yeah, CapCut will automatically add the keyframes, so don't worry about that. And after you do that, you can simply zoom out also if you want to. And yeah, let me just do this and follow the ball. Keep on doing this. Make sure that you have your video selected. Keep doing this, and after a while, after the video completes, you should be good to go. So I'll just cut this because it's getting repetitive. So I'll just remove this, and at the end you can remove the text as well. So at the end, if you want to watch the video, you will notice that now the ball is being followed by the camera. Now you can use whichever video you want, and this is how you do it. Now you can export the video, and that is basically all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.